These are some of the best security cameras for your home. Keep in mind, you should use a licensed professional to help you. First, indoor cameras, such as these ones. These are perfect for keeping an eye on what's happening inside your home. They're great for monitoring kids, pets, or any unexpected activity while you're away. Next, outdoor cameras. Built to withstand the elements, these cameras provide security for key areas like driveways, backyards, or entryways, helping you deter potential intruders. Wireless cameras, like this one, are all about convenience. They require no complicated wiring and can be placed almost anywhere. Plus, they often sync directly to your smartphone for real-time monitoring. When choosing a security camera, other features to consider include night vision, essential for 24/7 security, and active deterrence, where the camera alerts the intruder that they've been detected. Each of these cameras offer unique features that suit your security needs. For proper installation that ensures everything works seamlessly, don't hesitate to call in a licensed professional. Stay safe and secure with the right home security solution.